So this is the Kiam SurfacePro 21, our 21-inch stainless steel rotary cleaner. Ideal for use on a big driveway areas where you're looking at getting a really consistent clean. Underneath the head here, there's two spinning nozzles that rotate under really high pressure, and they're only about ½ inch off the floor, so it'll give you a lovely, consistent, even quality clean right throughout the whole driveway. The SurfacePro 21 is ideal for some of your larger pressure washers. So the Kiam 3700P, the PR, the big Warrior ranges. If you've got a 3500 PSI pressure washer, around about 15 litres per minute or upwards, this is the tool for you. 21 inch will give you a really sort of wide area that you can clean evenly and consistently. So it gives really, really good consistent results with the SurfacePro 21. So the SurfacePro 21 has a heavy duty stainless steel head, really solid. It's also got 3 heavy duty caster wheels distributed around the head. So when it's sat on the ground, even if you're on a cobbled surface, it'll give you a really sort of consistent clean. Underneath the unit, you've got 2 spinning nozzles that rotate on a big heavy duty bearing, and they'll rotate around, and they're only about ½ inch off the ground. So it's going to give you a really high pressure, consistent, heavy duty clean right across all your driveways and patio areas.